Welcome to episode 1 of Paul's Noise. Cheeky play on words. My name's Paul, responsible for a lot of kind of musical noise and that, and usually any videos I post up on here are all music related. But my other passion in life is following the mighty Hereford FC. And you know what? It's time for a bit of a blog. Maybe an away day blog. Might even do a couple of home games, don't know. As we tour around the grounds of the non-league world, which I thought of it earlier. So, yesterday, FA Cup down at Eastleigh. Went down there as underdogs, as always. Army of Hereford fans. Did some videos and stuff like that. Not a lot of match footage, A, because I'm watching the match, right? Secondly, you know, Bulls News, Hereford Goals, and those guys do a better job. And that's the place to go. All you'll get is a bunch of like swearing and slanderous stuff from me, really. Enjoy the blog. We'll have a bit of discussion at the end. Hereford away blog with me, Mr. Paul Cannon. Today, the home of Eastleigh FC. Right, a dump. Okay, FA Cup round. What is it, Pete?
Qualifying rounds.
Yeah, whatever that one is. Win today, first round proper. As you can see, we're in the away end. Okay, not particularly welcoming. There's a couple of bins there, some posts in the way of the doors. So let's not hope there's a fire. So there's a couple of hours down here. We get to the car park, greeted by Dick Turpin, charges us £5 for parking. We're not allowed in the bar, we're not allowed to get a cup of tea anywhere. Everyone stood around here for some time, being treated like dogs really. Eastleigh not impressed so far. Before we even go in, I'm going to give you today's match prediction, 1-1, okay? And then we will do Eastleigh at Eastleigh. Leave this here and then we'll see what this dump's like from the inside, okay?
Okay, so we'll wait for this dump to open. We're going to have to cruise around and see what people predict. I've got my main man Brian here. Here he is. Brian, prediction for today, please.
I'm looking for a replay. It should be okay after us.
Okay.
Anyway.
Like a bit more sort of.
No, we're there in the conference. We're in the Premier League. So
any scoreline?
1-1, I reckon.
Good man. Pete's trying to keep away from the camera, but he's not going to avoid prediction for today, please, Mr. Peter. 1-1, what? So 3-1-1 so far. Let's hope we're better, man. Hey, up. The rare spotting of activity at the gates. Hopefully we'll be in a minute. So this is the pitch. Just have a look around. Actually, it doesn't look like it's in too bad condition. Even they got a bit of an electronic scoreboard over there. Don't see many of those in our standard league. There's the boys getting ready. He's looking alright. As far as non-league dumps go, this isn't in the usual shithole category, so I think we're alright today. Okay, Southampton to get the camera work complete there. 40 minutes to kick off, the team right there warming up, looking good. Still no team news as of yet. According to Twitter, Hereford fans could outnumber the home fans, which is surprising. Looking around the home fans, it's taking me back to the start, seeing a bunch of Star Wars sand people. Food's alright, great cup of tea. Checked out the box, took a slash. Toilets are, as always, covered in urine, but of reasonably high standard, not the dark pink that we used to expect. And then they even got one in airblade guys. So thumbs up to the toilets, really. We anxiously await kickoff. I'll be back to you then. Kicking off there, Hereford fans are in. Over there is like a smattering of Eastleigh fans. Kick-off coming there. Great atmosphere. Fuck's sake, not the bloody whistle. Off to a flying start there. No idea what's going on. Wrong bomb. Naughty, naughty. Okay, half-time report. Really fucking winning. 2-0. Maka, free kick, deflection, it's gone in. Everything's going mad. Not long after that, sending off one of their chumps at the back. He's only fucking slid in. Taken Simo out. He's gone. One of the fans has taken an early bath as well now, disposing of a smoke bomb. Very brave stewards and police here, 10 people shifting out one. Absolutely, have a look up there. The smoke's cleared, but yeah, very brave police and stewarding. And then second goal comes, it's only free, he's only just put it in there. We're 2-0 up. Eastleigh look fucking shit, to be fair. Mike's skint. We'll feed back to you at the end of this game. But we are in this. We are in this. You can see is Ryan, who we came down with. He's not actually been escorted off the premises, but he's just only gone and won the bloody 50-50, which is a rare thing because normally home teams just chuck any 50-50 tickets in the bin for away passengers. But he's won 290 quid, fair play. That guy is a mess up. Take your time, Mike.
Well, that's Mike.
Hey! Where you off, right? We going? Okay. 10th game ever. Jesus Christ. So second half. Momentum. Gary Green. Knocked unconscious by the tackle. Toby's alright. Conceded goal. Lost some momentum. Battled on. We won. We're through.
As you can see, it was a pretty mental game and mentally and physically demanding, but the boys came through. Really looking forward to the draw tomorrow night. What kind of draw do we get? I don't know, a big club away, get some cash in for the club, or play someone shit at Edgar Street and progress. It's a win-win situation, isn't it, for us? So yesterday's game, man of the match, difficult because everybody performed on the pitch. Oates and Bowen, outstanding. Preem while he was on, let's hope he's all right. Great news is he's recovered from his injury because it was fucking sickening watching this young man unconscious on the floor. The strikers, I thought Simo had a great game holding the ball up, especially in those later stages. He was holding the ball up. All safe fans. Greener, as always, solid as a rock. Purds. Mike McGrath, if I had to pick a man of the man, it'd probably be Macca because I just thought he was solid. He's a psychopath, but he takes everybody out in his way. He'll go on. If he stays with us, he'll go on to be an Hereford legend. I think I've got a lot of time for that boy. It was just a great day, and that's the great thing about supporting this club. I'm looking forward to doing a few more of these. Next away game is Tiverton on a Tuesday, which fucking hell, I don't know. On a school night, we'll see. But might do some short ones at the home games because we all know what Edgar Street's about, don't we? Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.